Emergence takes you from raw data to trusted enterprise action. Today, I will walk you through a quick end-to-end example, starting with our data preparation agent. Operational teams make high-stakes decisions based on live data, but the data they rely on comes from different systems in different formats. The challenge goes beyond inconsistent data. The structure itself is ambiguous. Now imagine field data arriving in bulk, in this example as spreadsheets. Different tabs, different headers, and different logic on every sheet. Even experts can't reliably specify the structure up front. If you try to use a generic coding agent for this task, it will struggle because the specifications themselves are ambiguous. And manual restructuring is slow and error-prone. Emergence's agents make this process faster, cheaper, and accurate. Once you upload the file, the data preparation agent takes unstructured data files as input and creates structured and annotated data representations. It extracts tables across sheets, proposes column structure using domain context. You can also switch to interactive mode and correct the output of the transformation in seconds. The agent proposes high-quality candidates. Humans verify and refine. At this point, the data is usable, structured, and ready for downstream analysis. Now, you can interact with the data in natural language. In this case, we ask, which well has the highest non-productive time? Generic coding agents attempt to answer this in one shot, assuming the instructions are complete. Emergence takes a multi-step approach. Plan, critique, blueprint, then execute. You can review the plan and adjust it if needed. Once the blueprint is generated, you can approve it or request changes before anything runs. Every step is transparent. You can see exactly what was generated and why. Execution happens only after the plan is finalized. You can see exactly what was executed end to end. In seconds, you get the result as a structured output table. And because the source tables are already extracted and standardized, you can keep running follow-on analysis without re-uploading anything. Emergence represents context explicitly, carries it forward as long-term memory, and keeps execution fully transparent. That's how you get deterministic outcomes you can trust and act on. Scaling these results requires enterprise context. That's where emergence data readiness comes in. Metadata is enriched, definitions and sensitivity tags are applied, and data quality is assessed automatically. With your business context in place, you can now engage with the data more deeply. Generate insights, perform analytics, and create visualizations on the final structured data set with the full plan and execution visible end to end. This is just one example how you go from raw data to trusted enterprise action with full transparency and control. Emergence delivers deterministic outcomes at scale, ready for production.